Hey guys, it's November the 5th, also known as bonfire night, and basically we're going to do a top 5 things you can do on bonfire night. Number 1 is knowing about bonfire night, like why we celebrate it. It's something to do with a gunpowder plot. Wait, there we go. Basically there's a gunpowder plot in London, I think. And I'm not going to go into detail, but that's sort of like one reason why we have bonfire night. Number 2 is obviously watching fireworks, but not in real person, on like a TV. Or on a TV or like on your Xbox or something. So let's get on to number 3. Number 3 is playing with sparklers. So they're really fun. Like you can write letters with them, just play with them, and just have fun. Yeah. So I used to play with sparklers. I still do now. Like when we get some, and they're really fun. Like I always write like my name. Yeah. And obviously you probably can guess it. So yeah. Number 4 is setting off fireworks in your back garden. Like actually doing your own. That's just really fun. Like rather than going to watch them. So that takes us on to number 1. Number 1 is actually watching fireworks. So number 2 and 1 should have been swapped around, but I don't know why I done number 1. Like why I done this first, but it's obviously watching fireworks in person. So it takes the hassle out of buying them and like getting the stuff ready and just like sorting them. And yeah, like I go and watch mine on an island, not literally an island, but like one of them roundabout things. Yeah, and we watch them from there. And there's some going on in the fire station not far along from it. And we just watched the fireworks. And once we were walking back, and one blew up in front of my brother. Not literally in front, but just sort of like over us. And my brother got terrified, and that was funny. So that does it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the new intro as well. And bunch of like button in the face, guys. Not literally, but like, I mean, smash that like button as much as you can. And we hope to hit 10 subscribers like by next month, by Christmas actually. That's our target, guys. 25 subscribers by the time we get to Christmas. That will be my Christmas present, guys. And yeah, peace.